Welcome, today I am with DOOGEE S95 Pro and I'll show you how fingerprint sensor works in this smartphone, how fast it is and if it is reliable at all. So we can find the fingerprint sensor right here on the right edge, below the volume and the power buttons. So right now I'm gonna put it phone like that on the flat surface and I'm gonna make a few unlocks. Let's start. Okay, so as you can see, the sensor works not that bad. For that price range, I think it's good. And it's also reliable because it recognizes my fingerprint all time. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.